To identify the sign pattern of this company, Panchak Corporation, we take a look at its statement of cash flow. And if you can see cash flow operating activities, we look at the net line, row number 40, column C for 2023, and column E for 2022. Now the number is positive for both years, so it is plus plus. OCF is positive. You scroll it up, you look at the investing activities, and you go down to the net line, row number 77, the number is negative, and negative for both years, so it's minus and minus. And then you continue to financing activity. Take a look at row number 95, it's also positive and negative. So for 2022, we have plus, minus, and minus. That is number 5, type number 5. But for 2023, we have plus, minus, and plus. That is type number 3. Type number 3 is a growing company, and because it is growing, its internally generated cash would not be sufficient to make the necessary investments. So the company uses external financing as well. It is borrowing money. However, in 2022, the company was producing excess cash, more cash than it needed for investments, so it could pay dividend. So we have a cash cow company for the year 2022, and then a growing firm for year 2023.